This kind of a show is very heartwarming, and I love this show because of its raw emotions. The characters are superbly written, and so in today's video we would be talking about 4 underrated English web series which I absolutely loved and I would highly recommend to all of you. I have already done the underrated Hindi web series. I'll link somewhere here so that you can watch it. These are the web series which are ignored or people don't get to know about them. I would be talking about a few of them. So let's get into the video. There are so many great shows all over the world, and it is a sin to not know about them and to not watch them. If you are a movie or a web series buff like me, then please watch this video till the end and hope you will enjoy this video. Also, don't mind my hair, I've just come out of the shower. So the number 1 underrated English web series is The Alienist. This is my absolute favorite. Just a handful of people know about this TV show or web series. I literally love this series. So there are 2 seasons, and the last season has just come out last year, and I was literally waiting for that. So The Alienist is an American period drama television series which was based on the 1994 novel of the same name by Caleb Carr. So the alienists were the early psychiatrists who believed that the mentally ill were alienated from their rightful nature. The Alienist opens with a series of gruesome boss. ওরম করছো কেন মামা? আমি কাজ করছি কিন্তু। So The Alienist opens when a series of haunting, gruesome murders of a boy prostitute grips the whole of New York City. Newly appointed police commissioner Theodore Roosevelt calls upon the criminal psychologist Dr. Laszlo Kreisler and the newspaper illustrator John Moore to investigate the murders in secret, and they are joined by Sarah Howard, who was a headstrong woman who had the will to become the city's first female detective. The performances are brilliant all across the board, and it has got another season that I've already talked about. The second season has just released last year, and it has got 8 episodes to it, which also has a murder investigation going on. You will enjoy both of the seasons, and this is the first one that I wanted to talk about, and I absolutely loved this. The second show that I will be talking about is known as The Virgin River. Now, Virgin River is a kind of a web series which is super comforting and welcoming respite. It has got 2 seasons to it, and I loved both of them. It is a light watch. It has a very comfort level to it. You can just chill on your bed on a Sunday afternoon and binge watch the whole series at a go. And Virgin River is the name of a small town in the north of California where the series is set. The main character, Mel Monroe, arrives at this quaint new town known as the Virgin River to work as a midwife and a nurse. She has a past from which she wants to escape, and that you will get to know if you watch the series. And as she gets accustomed to the new life, she understands that living in a small town is not all simple, but it has got its complicity. So this kind of a show is very heartwarming, and I love this show because of its raw emotions. The characters are superbly written, and I watched this at a one go. It has got a feel-good factor to it, and you will absolutely love this show. You will enjoy it, and it will help you to feel cozy and feel good about everything. So this is the second one that I wanted to talk about. The third TV show that I wanted to talk about is known as Sweet Magnolia. This series I have just completed, and it has got only 1 season to it as of now. I thoroughly enjoyed it. It is also a light watch, but it has also got a comfort level to it which you will enjoy. Sweet Magnolia is a drama about a trio of southern ladies living and loving in south of Carolina. and they have their own ups and downs. They have to juggle their career, their children, and how effortlessly they move through the ups and downs of their life. And this one is best enjoyed if you laid back and just binge watch this show, and you will absolutely love this. This is an excellent soap, and I loved it, and I have really not seen anyone watch this a lot, so it has got a less amount of hype around it, and that's why I thought that I should talk about it. And yeah, so moving on to the last and the fourth one is known as Designated Survivors. So this TV show I came across abruptly out of nowhere. I just saw the name and I started watching it, and I'm not that into politics, but I enjoyed this show, and it has got American politics and drama to it. And Designated Survivor is all about a story of Tom Kirkman, an anonymous cabinet member who was thrust into the role of a president of America when a terrorist attack killed the president, the vice president, and almost all of the Congress. This show is a kind of show which will get you engrossed into the show within the first few minutes, and it will keep you hooked till the end. And do give it a try, because I absolutely enjoyed it without being, without having much love for politics, but it has got its own charm to it. And I wanted this to be included in this list because I wanted this show to be watched by all the people out there, and that's why I thought that I should include this. And not a lot of people know about this, because I have also talked about it with my friends and my families, and no one actually knows about this show a lot. I realized that these are really good ones that you can try, and some of these are lightweight, and some of these you have to think about a little when you watch them. So it has got a mix of both. I think that you will enjoy all of these TV shows, and do let me know in the comments below if you have watched any of these. Stay tuned till my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. That would make my day. Be happy, be positive, and be blessed.